Did you remove your airbag light on your NA Mazda Miata and then find that you had this incessant beeping noise when you started the car? Well, I have the solution for you. So what you're going to want to do is get underneath your dash. There was a plate here. I just removed it with 2 screws here and here. And then now you got to get underneath your steering column. 1 second. Now we get underneath our steering column, and there's this blue box. And there will be a connector right here. It'll be plugged in like that. All you have to do is disconnect it. So now there's nothing connecting to this blue box right here. And at the same time, when you're down here, when you have your door open, it'll also make the buzzing noise. There is this white connector right here. And it'll be connected like this next to this black box. Just take that out. And now, when you start your car, there will be no more buzzing or beeping noises. It'll just have some very nice, quiet sounds. All right, thank you.